can't sleep, then massage your belly to improve the quality of your sleep. So this is specifically for if you have a hard time sleeping between the time 1 a.m. to 3 a.m., between 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. This tells us that you actually have a dysfunction in your liver, right? So how do you fix it? Well, then you have to restore the function to your liver. So one of the ways, one of the techniques, one of the biohacking tips is you can massage your belly. More specifically, you want to find your ribs on your right side, and dig underneath in your ribs. That's where your liver is located. So you want to massage this right before you go to bed. So when you're laying on the bed, you want to start massaging this, okay? It's going to push out all the poop from your liver, right? The problem is your liver's got all this poop stuck in it, and that's why it's dysfunctioning. It's waking you up between 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. They found this out 3,000 years ago, right? So just massage all the way under your ribs. Keep on doing it until you fall asleep, right? If it's going to take an hour, don't massage for an hour. Just massage for about 1 minute, okay? 1 minute right before you go to bed. 1 minute before you go to bed. Obviously, you got to lay off the alcohol, right? Don't damage your liver. Lay off the sugar. Sugar damages your liver. So massage 1 minute for 1 minute right before you go to sleep every night, right? Make sure you follow me here, up here, right? For more of these biohacking tips.